Investing in real estate can be a lucrative venture, especially when considering the purchase of affordable land in warm climates. Whether you're looking for a place to build your dream home, start a business, or make a smart investment, there are numerous opportunities in warm regions around the world. In this article, we'll explore 10 places where you can buy cheap land in warm climates, offering both potential for growth and a sunny lifestyle. 1. Arizona, USA. Known for its breathtaking desert landscapes and warm climate, Arizona offers affordable land options. Counties like Mohave and Cochise often have competitively priced parcels, making it an attractive choice for those seeking a slice of the American Southwest. 2. Baja California, Mexico. Just south of the California border, Baja California provides an excellent opportunity for affordable land purchases. The region's proximity to the Pacific Ocean and the Sea of Cortez makes it an appealing destination for both investors and individuals looking for a warm climate retreat. 3. Portugal. Portugal, particularly the Algarve region, boasts a mild climate and stunning coastal landscapes. Inland areas also offer affordable land options, making it an ideal location for those seeking warmth, culture, and a lower cost of living. 4. Northern Cyprus. Situated in the eastern Mediterranean, Northern Cyprus offers affordable land and a warm climate. With its unique blend of history and natural beauty, this region has become increasingly popular among international investors. 5. Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic, located in the Caribbean, is known for its pristine beaches and warm tropical climate. Land prices are relatively reasonable, providing an opportunity for those looking to invest in a picturesque setting. 6. Uruguay. Uruguay, nestled between Argentina and Brazil, offers affordable land in a country known for its stable economy and pleasant climate. The interior regions of Uruguay present attractive options for those seeking both affordability and warmth. 7. Morocco. In North Africa, Morocco stands out for its diverse landscapes and unique culture. Regions like the High Atlas Mountains and the Sahara Desert offer affordable land opportunities, providing investors with a chance to be part of a rapidly developing country. 8. Turkey. Turkey, with its rich history and diverse geography, offers affordable land in warm coastal areas. Regions such as Antalya and Bodrum are popular choices for those seeking both a warm climate and a vibrant cultural experience. 9. Ecuador. Ecuador, located on the equator, offers a variety of affordable land options. The coastal areas, as well as the Andean highlands, provide a range of climates to choose from, making it an appealing destination for investors seeking warmth and diversity. 10. Vietnam. Southeast Asia, particularly Vietnam, is gaining attention for its affordable land options and tropical climate. Coastal areas like Da Nang and Nha Trang present opportunities for those looking to invest in a warm and culturally rich environment. Investing in cheap land in warm climates can be a strategic move for individuals seeking not only financial returns but also a lifestyle change. From the deserts of Arizona to the beaches of the Dominican Republic, these 10 locations offer a mix of affordability, natural beauty, and the promise of a warm and inviting climate. As with any investment, thorough research and due diligence are crucial, but for those willing to take the leap, these destinations hold the potential for a sunny and prosperous future.